Imagine riding down an open highway, wind brushing past you, the sunset glowing in the distance. And instead of towing a bulky trailer or driving a massive RV, you're cruising in a sleek, futuristic three-wheel camper that looks like it just rolled out of the year 2035. This isn't just transportation. This is freedom on three wheels. And today, I'm showing you one of the most stunning futuristic camper tricycle tiny homes you'll ever see at first glance. It doesn't even look real. The body is smooth and aerodynamic, almost like a high-speed electric sports bike fused with a luxury micro RV. The front features a bold, panoramic windshield that wraps around like a cockpit. LED light strips glow subtly along the edges, giving it that sci-fi vibe that turns heads at every stoplight. People won't just look at this, they'll stare. But here's the crazy part. It's not just about looks. This futuristic camper tricycle is built for real adventure. The three-wheel design gives it stability while keeping it compact and easy to maneuver. You can glide through tight city streets, park almost anywhere, and still hit the open road without worrying about size restrictions. No more stressing over parking spots. No more paying crazy campground fees for oversized RVs. This is minimalism with power. Now let's talk about what really makes this thing unbelievable. The tiny home inside. Step into the cabin and you're instantly surprised by how spacious it feels. Thanks to clever engineering and smart layout design, every inch has a purpose. There's a convertible seating area that transforms into a cozy bed within seconds. Soft ambient lighting runs along the walls, creating a warm, modern atmosphere at night. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a futuristic studio apartment done on one side. You've got a compact kitchenette, a small induction cooktop, a foldable sink, and hidden storage compartments that slide out smoothly. You can cook a full meal without feeling cramped. Imagine waking up near a mountain lake, opening the rear hatch, and making fresh coffee as the morning mist rolls over the water. That's not a dream. That's everyday life with this tiny home. And yes, there's more. Built-in solar panels on the roof power the interior systems. That means off-grid living is not just possible, it's practical. Charge your devices, run your lights, power your mini fridge, all while parked in the middle of nowhere. Freedom isn't just about movement. It's about independence. The rear section of this camper tricycle is where the magic continues. There's a smart storage compartment for gear, camping equipment, folding chairs, even a compact outdoor table. Some models even feature a small pull-out awning, instantly creating your own shaded outdoor space. In seconds, you go from driving mode to relaxation mode. And let's be honest, in a world where rent keeps rising and space keeps shrinking, why are we still tying ourselves to one location? This futuristic camper tricycle challenges everything we think we need. Instead of paying thousands every month for a tiny apartment, you invest once in your freedom. Your home moves with you. Your view changes whenever you want it to. Picture this. One week you're parked by the beach, falling asleep to the sound of waves. The next week you're surrounded by forest, waking up to birds and fresh mountain air. No hotel bookings, no strict checkout times. Just you, your tiny home, and the open road. Now let's talk performance. Despite its compact size, this camper tricycle is built with a powerful electric drivetrain. Smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and eco-friendly travel. You're not just saving money, you're reducing your footprint. It's modern living reimagined for a smarter future. And because it's futuristic, it's packed with tech. Digital dashboard displays navigation, battery levels, and climate control. Some versions even include smart voice controls, so you can adjust lighting or temperature with a simple command. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie, except it's real. What makes it even more impressive is how practical it is for solo travelers or couples. You don't need a massive bus-sized RV if you value experience over excess. This is about intentional living, about choosing memories over square footage. But here's what truly makes this camper tricycle tiny home stunning. The lifestyle it represents, that it's not just a vehicle, that it's not just a house, that it's a statement that says you value freedom, that you don't need four walls in one place to feel secure, that adventure matters more than routine. And let's be real, imagine the content you could create with this. Travel vlogs, sunrise coffee moments, nighttime city lights glowing through your panoramic window. Every stop becomes a story. Now I know what you might be thinking. Is it comfortable long-term? Surprisingly, yes. With smart climate insulation, compact bathroom solutions in some advanced builds, and modular storage, it's designed for extended stays. You're not surviving in it. You're living in it, just more intentionally. Maintenance is simpler than a full-size RV. Fuel costs are dramatically lower, especially if it's electric. Insurance is often cheaper. And because of its smaller footprint, you have access to places traditional RVs can't reach. That hidden beach road, that mountain overlook, that narrow scenic village street. This tiny home can go there, and maybe the best part? It sparks conversation everywhere you go. People will ask questions. They'll want to see inside. It inspires curiosity because it represents something different. Something bold. In a time where many feel stuck in routines, this camper tricycle feels like an escape plan on wheels. A reminder that life doesn't have to be complicated to be fulfilling. Oh, imagine this. It's late evening. You've parked at a quiet cliffside. The sky is painted in deep orange and purple. You step out, sit under your small awning, and watch the stars appear one by one. Your entire home is right behind you. Safe, compact, beautiful. Yours. No landlord, no heavy bills, no limits on where tomorrow begins. That's the magic of this stunning futuristic camper tricycle tiny home. And if you could wake up anywhere tomorrow, beach, mountains, desert, forest, where would you choose? Because with something like this, the only real limit is how far you're willing to go.